Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. This video we are going to install some LED headlights into my mom's truck. She got a 2004 GMC Yukon Denali and it's pretty nice. The only thing that's not really nice about it is her headlights. Now with an older car, older vehicle, the headlights fade and crack and you know, all that stuff. I went ahead and bought her some new headlights. The only thing is she is still running the yellow headlight bulbs, and to be honest, you can't see a thing. Autoone was actually nice enough to send me out some headlights. With all these newer cars having LED lights or HID lights or whatever you want to put on there, these yellow lights, they just won't cut it anymore. So thank you, Autoone. Let's go ahead and install them and see how they look. So real quick, what's in the box? You get a pair of gloves. Here's the manual, and these are the lights. Should be an easy install. Let's go ahead and install them. And with these Denalis, it is so easy to take these headlights out. You just twist these little tabs right here. Then all you do is pull them straight out. And you just slide them out. Look at that. I did that with one hand. And the bulb we're going to be replacing is the headlight bulb, not the high beam. The high beam is right here. We're going to replace the headlight bulb. So we got to take it completely out to get it out with these headlights. And just like that, the headlight is out. All you have to do is literally twist the bulb out. That's all you have to do. And for the short time that I had these lights on, these lights are already extremely hot. This housing is hot right here. With these LED lights, they shouldn't get hot. And also they are the same size as well, so you don't have to worry about clearance issues. Let's go ahead and put these in. And taking them out is as simple as putting them back in. Just go in reverse, and there you go. That's it. Now they're installed. All right guys, so I got one headlight in, the other one is still yellow, so let's see how it looks just to get a comparison. So this is the yellow and this is the LED. Night and day difference. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the truck out so you can actually see what it looked like. It is dark outside, so we're gonna go ahead and drive it around and just show you what it looked like. So I don't know what in the heck is going on with that one yellow light and why it's all the way up here and that white light is all the way down here. I'm going to have to adjust them, but since I have it out here, there's a dark road right over there, kind of dark. I just wanted to show you the difference. So I'm definitely going to adjust them, but with just that one light, look how much brighter it is compared to the other one. You see what I'm saying? Probably why she can't see, but she gonna see a lot better now when I put these LED lights in. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll show you the finished results. All right guys, so it is dark. I'm on this little side street. The light is behind me, but you still can't see anything. So let me go ahead and flip the lights on and show you how they look. Look at that. Talking about bright. The high beams doesn't even really do anything. That's how bright they are. Maybe I need to go ahead and upgrade those as well. Autoone did a great job with these LED light bulbs. If you guys want to get some LED lights from Autoone, I got you a discount code, so go ahead and use that discount code. Is creators, get you 15% off on anything on the website. Thank you, Autoone, for sending me out these lights. And if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and check out this video right here. This is all about my build and what's going on with this channel, so go ahead and check that out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.